If you're a cannabis fan with increased tolerance, spending more and more to get the same effect, we have the solution. We'll help you reduce tolerance, save money, and put you back on your way to feeling just like the first time. Better High's proprietary blend contains 100% all natural legal ingredients. Better High is the market's first and only Cannabis Receptor Reset supplement that cleanses and rejuvenates the endocannabinoid system. This system regulates the interactions of THC and its receptors. Like a vacuum filter, air filter, and coffee filter, they need to be replaced or cleaned regularly to function. Your body's cannabis filters or receptors are very similar. If these receptors are neglected, clogged, or damaged, they just don't work like they did the first time. If they don't work properly, you spend more and more money trying to achieve the first-time feeling. And with this, Better High aids in refreshing these receptors, lowering tolerance and saving money. We offer a simple 7-day solution.